In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use board view in Asana. First, open Asana and head to your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces or organizations, make sure you're in the one where this project belongs. Think of your workspace as the home base where all your projects, tasks, and teammates live. Next, either create a new project or open one you've already started. If you're starting fresh, click to create a project and give it a clear, action-oriented name so everyone knows what it's for at a glance. If you're working with an existing project, just open it from your list. Choose Board View as the project layout. If you're creating a new project, you'll see Board as one of the layout options. Select it before you continue. If you opened an existing project that isn't already in board view, switch layouts from the view options so you can see your work as columns and cards. Board view is perfect for visualizing flow and keeping status changes obvious and simple. Now, add your columns to structure the workflow. A common setup is to do in progress, review, and done. These columns represent stages your work will pass through from start to finish. Keep the names short and unambiguous so teammates can make quick decisions. You can reorder columns by dragging them, and if your process is lighter or heavier, you can remove or add columns to match how your team actually works. With your columns in place, create task cards under each column. Each card should have a clear, specific title that starts with a verb like write draft or upload assets. Add any critical details in the description so the assignee doesn't have to hunt for context. If due dates are important, set them now and assign the task to the right person to avoid ambiguity. Group related tasks in the appropriate starting column, usually to do, so your board reflects the current backlog and priorities. As work progresses, move task cards across the board to reflect their status. Drag and drop tasks from to do into in progress. When someone starts, move them to review when they're ready for a check, and finally land them in done once they're complete. Keep the movement frequent and honest. The board is most powerful when it mirrors reality. If something gets blocked, park it where it belongs and add a quick note so others understand what's needed to move forward. Over time, this simple motion reveals bottlenecks and helps balance workload, ensuring your team stays focused and aligned from kickoff to completion.